Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Wednesday, April 13, 2022 on our channel. Carrier releases new TruVu dual IP zone controllers. The International Network for Women in Cooling (INWIC) has been launched. Kaltra expands its manufacturing capabilities of serpentine heat exchangers. Johnson Controls has announced the latest evolution to the YVAA variable speed drive screw chiller. Viessmann Refrigeration Solutions and Noyes Technologies announce partnership to develop modular nano-warehousing solution. So, first news today. Carrier releases new TruVu dual IP zone controllers. Carrier has added new TruVu zone HVAC controllers to the YVAA building automation system. Designed for pressure-independent variable air volume (VAV) and pressure-dependent variable volume and temperature (VVT) applications, these controllers feature built-in control programs that are engineered for efficiency, energy savings and optimum equipment performance. They also feature dual IP ports for high-speed BACnet/IP communication. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. The International Network for Women in Cooling (INWIC) has been launched. A new initiative called the International Network for Women in Cooling (INWIC) has been launched to advance the engagement of women, promote career opportunities, and increase their overall participation in the sector, which includes refrigeration, air conditioning, and heat pumps (RHP). INWIC is led by the World Refrigeration Day (WRD) Secretariat and the United Nations Environment Programme (UNEP) owes an action in cooperation with a highly reputed group of founding partners, all of whom are active in this area: ERA, Australia; Area, Europe; ASHRAE, Global; CAR, China; FAIR, Latin America; EAR, Global; EUR, UK; ISHRI, India; CHIRE, Japan; U3ARC, Africa; and Women in HVAC and AMP, AR, North America. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Kaltra expands its manufacturing capabilities of serpentine heat exchangers. Due to the high and constantly growing market demand for compact microchannel coils, Kaltra expands its manufacturing capabilities of serpentine heat exchangers by installing new tube bending machines and assembly lines equipped with semi-automatic core builders, fin mills and fin inserting machines. The rapid growth in the popularity of compact, low-volume heat exchangers, especially ones of serpentine type, is caused by heightened interest in deploying HVAC and refrigeration solutions based on low GWP, but flammable and or toxic, gases, including natural refrigerants such as propane and ammonia. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Johnson Controls has announced the latest evolution to the YVAA variable speed drive screw chiller. Johnson Controls, the global leader for smart, healthy and sustainable buildings, has announced the latest evolution to the YVAA variable speed drive screw chiller for the entire global product line. The award-winning chiller now features increased operating efficiency, a reduced footprint and integration with low GWP refrigerants. The chiller also now offers more flexibility with expanded configuration options at each cooling capacity along with a reduction in sound levels. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Viessmann Refrigeration Solutions and Noyes Technologies announce partnership to develop modular nano-warehousing solution. Viessmann Refrigeration Solutions GmbH, a leading supplier of commercial refrigeration solutions, and Noyes Technologies, the first supplier of an automated and highly flexible nano-storage system, are cooperating to develop an innovative, modular and fully automated refrigeration system for the revolutionary Noyes storage. This will be a valuable addition to the Noyes and Viessmann offering, intended to radically simplify and streamline storage of products with complex requirements such as temperature and hygienic safety. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow refrigeration news on social networks. Please find the links below.